Hey kids, do you want to know what's a good fair routine? It keeps us strong, happy, and keen. Let's go through each part from start to end and see all the things on which we depend. First, we wake up early in the morning light. Stretch and yawn, feeling just right. Brush our teeth till they sparkle and gleam. Get ready for school, all part of the team. We head to school and take our seat, ready to learn and friends we greet. We study hard and do our best. Then it's home time, time to rest. Once we're home, we get ready again. Take a nice bath, fresh as the rain. Have a yummy lunch, healthy and neat, fueling up with every bite we eat. Then it's time for homework, not too long. We focus and try to stay strong. Once it's done, we play outside, run and jump and swing so high. As evening comes, we gather round for family time, where love is found. Dinner is served, a warm, tasty treat. Together we sit, together we eat. Finally it's bedtime, stories to hear. A cozy good night with love so near. Drifting to sleep with dreams so bright. We end our day